Welcome back to this channel where every day there is a reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Join us here, 5 o'clock Jamaican time every morning. All we're asking you to do is to like, share, leave a comment, and subscribe to this channel. My name is Denesha Jarrett-Mitchell, and if you want to know a little bit more about me, go ahead and click the description box below.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today reading, I come from Luke 12, 4-7, and I saw you read. My friend, hear what me I say. No afraid of who can hunger kill the body. That's all them can do. Make me tell you who no fi afraid of. Afraid of the one we can kill the body and have the power fi fling no soul down a hell too. Yes, that me I tell you no. I him who no fi afraid of. No uncle 2 penny 5 bout self. But God no forget no even one of them. Even the ear with the pan every one of them head, him count up and know how much they dey. So, nobody afraid. Cause to God, you know what much more than enough bud. And God what this, you know? Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.